guys? Today we're going to be opening up a Smartwatch V8. It's working. As you can see, it's a camera, not a bad camera. And you can see it's not bad. It's actually, I like it. So let's open it up and I'll show you how it looks after I open it up. So I got it off. You basically, if you take off screws, you get these bands. So whenever we open it up, first of all, there are vibrators already visible. We also have right here a speaker. It's not a bad looking speaker. It's pretty loud. We have a bunch of connectors. I'll get to the motherboard itself and I'll show you. So I've got it open. What we see here is a 0.3 megapixel camera. I'm not sure, that's what I believe. We have here just the connectors on the back. As you can see, there's a connector, a camera, a connector to the power on, off. We have a speaker for like talking on the phone. We have another speaker right here, that's a speaker. We have here places here and here to connect the LCD and the touch screen. I have here connected to the battery, the SIM card slot, the SD card place, and we have like special tape and hold it in place that won't get disconnected. We have a charger. We need the charger input. We have a chip. This is a very small memory chip. It doesn't have much storage built into it. We have a couple more processors. There's for the apps and everything. Speaker is pretty solid build. It's magnet, as you can see. So speakers are made. The watch itself is, I believe it's copper or aluminium or something. I'm not sure. It's pretty nice. This is the button. Let's try getting out the second one. We got both of them out. I'll show you the LCD. We have right here the LCD. This thing is not a touchscreen. This is the touchscreen piece, as you can see right here. And it has this connector to the motherboard itself. I believe there's some connectors or stuff like that under the black piece of plastic. If you want me to make a video of that, showing opening up the LCD, opening up these pieces, just write in the comments if you want me to. So yeah, that's basically the video. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.